In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted pages from your PDF in Adobe Acrobat without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to use this particular PDF file as an example. So from the preview right here, this is about 3 pages right here. So how can we simply remove this particular unwanted pages from some of the PDF that we have in Adobe Acrobat? First thing first, go ahead and click on menu tab right here and import the PDF file into the workspace. However, I'm going to make use of recently file right here. Then I will simply go ahead and select the file, and boom, it opened up like so. So next thing we want to do right here is to see which of the page that we want to remove from this particular page up right here in Acrobat. So for that, we want to make sure we come to the top right here. We need to click on this particular all tool right here, and the next thing we want to do here is to navigate to organize pages, and it's going to take us right here. So this is about 3 pages right here. So I can decide to delete the second page right here, or better still, I can decide to delete the 3rd page or 4th page. So everything depends on the one you want to delete. Just hover your mouse and then go ahead and click on this trash bin icon right here. Once you click on this trash bin icon, are you sure you want to delete the page from the documents? Go ahead and hit on OK, and boom, the page has been fully deleted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Adobe Acrobat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.